we got Mr. Fox's shop. Why is that so close? Oh, that's why. I was zoomed in for the movie. All right. Peppa Pig merchandise in a Peppa Pig theme park. This is meta. Look at the pool toy, or pool toys, bath towels, bubble bath. Oh, Tiff, look at this.
Like the video.
Tiff, look at this one.
Subscribe.
It's a whole
Get notified.
bathroom set with your other stuff. George goes to the potty. Hey, look at this. It's a Peppa Pig.
There's like a clock.
Oh, there is a clock. Yeah, too bad we just got one. Peppa Pig mug. Backpacks. Lunch boxes. Hey, Tiff, you have that set. She has the bottom one. Yeah, she has that. She also has that. She doesn't have the one with the penguins. That's cool. She doesn't have the construction worker. Or that. Nope, she has that. I haven't seen this in a long time. Kat, I haven't seen this one in a long time.
I haven't seen that one at all.
It used to be a Target. We've seen this one a bunch. Little helicopter ride. Little car. What's this one? Another little house? Xylophone. Bunch of books. Carrying case for just extra figures. Extra figurines, carrying case. Teacup set. You have this too. You got a lot of Peppa Pig stuff. Oh, there's the... Wait, and you have the Ferris wheel. Bunch of shoes. Lots and lots and lots and lots
Like the
and lots
video.
of stuff. They make tiny baby
Subscribe.
ones. I did not know that.
Get
Lots of
notified.
stuffies. Little shirts. Little box of something. Some more figurines. Same ones we've seen. Keychains. There's the figurines. I just realized I was walking by really fast. Pez dispensers. And that's the whole little store here.
Thank you for watching.